For many Californians, homeowners insurance has become unaffordable with increasingly fewer options as companies have limited business in the state, citing climate change, the rising cost of building materials, and strict state regulations. We've been reporting on this growing crisis for more than 5 years now, but today we can report a major milestone that could mean market stabilization in the new year.
California is at an insurance crossroads.
California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara, in response to the state's homeowners insurance crisis of affordability and availability, announced back in September of 2023 his sustainable insurance strategy.
This is a comprehensive strategy to modernize our insurance market.
His goal, to entice insurers to return to doing business more fully in California and expand coverage options for homeowners, especially those in wildfire-prone areas, which insurance companies have been leaving. His promise to have the sustainable insurance strategy in place by the end of 2024. And on Monday, December 30th, Lara announced the final major step, according to a news release from the California Department of Insurance. It has to do with reinsurance, basically insurance for insurers. What insurers get from this new regulation is something they've been wanting for years: the ability to pass along the cost of their reinsurance to consumers by factoring it into premiums. But there are guardrails. The regulation limits costs to California only, so consumers do not pay for the cost of Gulf Coast hurricanes or Midwest windstorms. The regulation also limits the amount companies can pass along by establishing an industry-wide standard cost of reinsurance and capping the amount of reinsurance costs that can be charged to consumers. So what do consumers get from this? All homeowners insurance companies must increase the writing of comprehensive policies in wildfire-distressed areas by 5% of their statewide market share every 2 years until they hit 85%.
I'm very confident that we're going to see some real change coming mid-2025. We're going to see that California is back open for business.
Speaking with ABC 10 earlier this year, Lara said increased availability will come first. He anticipates greater affordability will follow.
Once we get the insurance companies to come back into California, expand, you're going to create that natural market flow to be able to bring down the cost for everybody.
But the group Consumer Watchdog worries homeowners will see double-digit rate increases. This plan could drive the price of home insurance up by 40%, Consumer Watchdog President Jamie Court said in a news release. Tellingly, the commissioner did not do a cost-impact analysis of his plan on consumers. That's because this plan is of the insurance industry, by the insurance industry, and for the industry.
The sustainable insurance strategy rolled out over the past year also allows insurance companies to use forward-looking so-called catastrophe modeling in requesting permission from the state to raise rates. Until now, insurers in California have only been able to use historical climate data to predict risk. Now, industry experts say they anticipate consumers will begin to see changes midway through next year. And to go in depth on the insurance crisis in our state, head over to ABC 10 Plus. Our team spent months talking with homeowners, lawmakers, and the insurance commissioner about the crisis. You can stream the investigation, California's insurance crisis, right now on ABC 10 Plus in the To the Point playlist.